5.5 Scotty in to do a face balanced long neck conversion with a 1 degree upright lie angle. Let's get it on. I like this. So right here, you can see how it has the gap across the face. So that's the 3.5 degrees of factory loft on the Scotty 5.5. And so we're keeping that standard. So when this nut goes on, this will be completely 90 degrees right here, which makes it really easy to control that face angle because it's squared out through the center of this phantom where it has a little flat spot inside the base plate where everything squares up. And just tacking this 303, you can see how dirty it is. It just spit a little glob onto my tungsten. The thing about 303, it's like, as soon as you start welding on it, welcome to the unknown. Slightly that way. Doesn't want to move a lot, but I'm gonna pull this out of here now where it's tacked up. Let it cool down and make sure everything normalizes and settles in. And then I can come back through and blend the weld out and then get this reassembled. Sweet, we nailed it.